Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be your light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you.
favorite Christmas projects that I wanted to show you why I was showing you my home tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by. And before I forget, Merry Christmas. I hope it's a beautiful season for you. We are gonna make pomanders. Look at that. And if you grew up making this in your family tradition, let me know in the comments. But we did as little girls. There's 4 of us girls in my family, and we certainly sat around the kitchen table making a ton of these. Pomanders started in the Victorian times, and citrus was so hard to come by that it was just this grand treat. And if you watch the old movies, you'll see that they pulled an orange out of the stocking, or if you watch Little Women, which is one of my favorite movies, the girls run down the stairs on Christmas morning to find an orange on their bread to their delight. So it was a big treat. And because they were extra bougie during that time, those Victorians, they decided they were going to stud their citrus with cloves, and that makes a pomander. Now these could be hung by beautiful ribbon from your tree, from a wreath. Mine are going in a big beautiful bowl for the holidays. And then after the holidays, I'll slice these and I'll put them on my dehydrator, and I'll make a wonderful simmering potpourri. So nothing's wasted, I love it. The Victorians also didn't waste theirs. these would go into their bed linens and their sleeping clothes. And so at night when they got dressed for bed, could you imagine sliding on your nightgown and it smelled like this? Christmas. They can't be any easier than this. You're gonna need whole cloves, and you can get these in your spice section, and this is what they look like. They look like little brown studs. And if you have a lot of them, I use an ice pick. You use the tip of the knife. It just goes a little bit faster. However, it's no problem to pierce it if you're not doing a lot. I will say if you do a lot of these like I have in the past, your thumb is going to start hurting quite a bit because these can be a little sharp. I hope you guys give this a try. It's so wonderful, and there's nothing better than having a big bowl of these to walk past during the holiday season. You guys take care. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Mwah!